As energy efficiency continues to grow in importance, so does the use of spray polyurethane foam, or SPF, for air sealing and insulating. As a weatherization professional or spray foam contractor, you want to select the best solution for your energy efficiency projects and then implement it effectively and safely. You may work with three very different types of spray foam products: high-pressure 2-component SPF, low-pressure 2-component SPF, and insulating foam sealant, also known as 1-component foam or foam in a can. 2-component foams are available as closed cell or open cell, each offering unique benefits. The focus of this program is to provide general guidance for applying low-pressure 2-component SPF. Typically, systems pressurized at less than 250 pounds per square inch. It is intended for professional applicators and is a supplement to other safety information. It is not intended to replace any other safety information your employer or SPF manufacturer provides, such as specialized training, material safety data sheets, and product labels and instructions. Always consult and follow the manufacturer's instructions. This video does not address high-pressure SPF application. High-pressure SPF is professionally applied to insulate large areas such as walls or roofing systems. Visit spraypolyurethane.org for free online safety and health training for high-pressure SPF offered by the Center for the Polyurethanes Industry of the American Chemistry Council. This video also does not address certain specialty and do-it-yourself products, typically known as insulating foam sealant. Generally, foam sealants are used to seal gaps and cracks, such as around windows and doors. Helpful information about insulating foam sealant can also be found on spraypolyurethane.org under the DIY section. Now, let's turn our focus to low-pressure 2-component spray polyurethane foam, a popular material for weatherization projects. It is made by mixing liquid chemicals on site from two separate containers called the A side and the B side. When the two sides are mixed and sprayed on site, they react to create spray foam. As you handle these materials, it is important that you follow manufacturer's instructions so that you are properly protected from chemical exposure. These will include the use of specialized personal protective equipment, or PPE, during installation, and when checking the foam. After the foam is applied and cured, EPA considers it relatively inert. Consult the manufacturer's instructions as to when foam is fully cured and apply all recommended safety measures throughout installation. Just because the foam has a hard skin does not mean it is fully cured. Cure time can be affected by temperature and humidity. Good safety practices, ventilation, and the use of appropriate personal safety equipment will help you avoid exposure to the chemicals used to make spray foam. The A side contains MDI and PMDI, known as diisocyanates. Exposure to MDI or PMDI can result in skin, eye, and lung irritation or sensitization. Sensitization can lead to occupational asthma. Asthma can be life-threatening. The B side contains a mix of other chemicals. The specific chemical hazards for the A side and the B side are described in the manufacturer's MSDS, as well as handling instructions and recommendations for PPE and respirator use. Persons experiencing any of these symptoms should immediately seek medical attention and be sure to bring the MSDS. Because you are watching this video, it is likely you have already done the research to select the right low-pressure spray polyurethane foam for your job. These products are often purchased through professional distribution and are typically available in either portable low-pressure two-component kits or refillable cylinders. These products are generally an excellent choice for air sealing and insulating around rim joists, pipes, and other penetrations. This reduces the air and moisture entering the building, which can help prevent mold and mildew problems. They may also provide a barrier to pests, insects, dust, and pollen. In crawl spaces, low-pressure SPF can be used to insulate and air seal to prevent moisture accumulation and air leakage. And for attics, you can seal attic floor penetrations around pipes, wires, and other important areas. And it can also be used to seal enclosures for lights and fans. After you're hired for the job, consult with the manufacturer to determine the recommended re-entry time for occupants. This can vary depending on the type of SPF, the amount of foam applied per volume of space, the degree of ventilation, humidity, temperature, and other variables. Then, meet with the homeowner or building manager, occupants, and other workers to review the safety plan for the job. Outline who will be on the job site, how far away occupants should be from the job site, and what the manufacturer's reoccupancy recommendations are. In other words, when homeowners or building occupants may safely re-enter. Before you begin the job, inspect the SPF product package. Check that its contents are complete and not damaged. Read all the product instructions and material safety data sheets, or MSDS, before use. Make sure you have the proper protective equipment ready for the job. This will help protect you from the chemicals that are mixed and reacted to make the finished foam. The product instructions and MSDS will advise you what PPE to use. Typical PPE for low-pressure, two-component applications includes safety glasses or goggles, protective clothing to minimize skin exposure, chemical-resistant nitrile gloves, and a respirator approved by the National Institute of Safety and Health, or NIOSH. Generally, SPF manufacturers recommend that you wear an air-purifying respirator anytime you are spraying low-pressure two-component foam. When respirators are required on the job, federal regulations require workers to have a medical evaluation, fit testing, user seal checks, and proper training before use. Employers are also required to provide a written respiratory protection program. For more information, discuss this with your employer and visit the OSHA website. In addition, OSHA's Green Jobs website provides information on a variety of weatherization safety topics. Some common respirators used when applying low-pressure two-component foam include half-mask or full-mask air-purifying respirators known as APRs. Powered air-purifying respirators, or PAPRs, are also used. Organic P100 vapor cartridges with particulate pre-filters are suggested. Full-mask respirators provide more protection than half-mask respirators, since the shield helps protect the face from irritants and contaminants. Use and maintain respirators in accordance with manufacturers' guidelines, including a regular cartridge change-out schedule. NIOSH certifies respirators for certain uses and can be another helpful resource. Now, it's time to prepare the job site for the application. Here are some other important considerations before the job starts. Prepare the job site so that access is restricted during application and for an appropriate period afterward to those wearing proper personal protective equipment. Using caution tape to mark the job site off can help prevent entry to the job site by unprotected workers. Be mindful of keeping children, pets, and other occupants away. Shut off ignition sources in the spray area and nearby rooms, including pilot lights and open flames, and do not allow smoking. Arrange for plenty of ventilation, such as opening doors and windows. Use fans to move vapors away from workers and vent exhaust to unoccupied areas. Do a test spray to ensure equipment is working properly. Protect adjacent surfaces from overspray. During the job, keep the worksite clean and take steps to minimize dust. After the job, clean up the site thoroughly, including any dust. Be sure to dispose of waste materials in accordance with any applicable regulatory requirements. By carefully following manufacturer's instructions, SPF products can be applied safely. Lower energy bills and improved indoor comfort are just some of the many benefits your clients will enjoy when their home or building is properly air sealed and well insulated with spray polyurethane foam. For more information about the benefits of SPF products, as well as additional health and safety guidance, visit the Center for the Polyurethanes Industry's Health and Safety website at spraypolyurethane.org.